Welcome to our step-by-step guide on seamless glass installations. Today, we will walk you through the process of installing glass seamlessly into various spaces, bringing a touch of elegance and sophistication to your surroundings. Before we begin, it is important to ensure that you have all the necessary tools and materials for the installation. These may include glass panels, sealant, measuring tape, a level, a saw, and safety equipment. Step 1. Measure and mark. Use a measuring tape to measure the dimensions of the space where the glass will be installed. Mark the measurements on the glass panel to ensure accuracy. Step 2. Prepare the glass. If needed, cut the glass panel to the desired size using a saw. Ensure to wear safety goggles and gloves during this step to protect yourself from any potential injuries. Step 3. Clean the area. Thoroughly clean the surface where the glass will be installed to remove any dirt, dust, or debris. This will ensure a clean and secure bond between the glass and the surface. Step 4. Apply sealant. Apply a generous amount of sealant along the edges of the glass panel. Ensure an even distribution to create a watertight seal and secure the glass in place. Step 5. Place the glass. Carefully position the glass panel onto the prepared surface, aligning it with the marked measurements. Use a level to ensure the glass is perfectly straight and balanced. Step 6. Press firmly. Apply even pressure to the glass, carefully pressing it against the sealant in the surface. This will create a strong bond and ensure a secure installation. Step 7. Clean any excess sealant. Use a damp cloth to remove any excess sealant from the surface of the glass and surrounding area. Take your time to achieve a clean and professional finish. Congratulations! You have successfully installed a seamless glass panel. Enjoy the enhanced beauty and functionality it brings to your space. For more tutorials and inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.